Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain. I read in class 1 today. I am going to say a story. That story's name is Gillian's Robin. This book is from the Magic Snowbird. One day there was so many chickies and his mother and father. They live in a big house. That two children always came and helped the chickies. They live happily. When the autumn month come, then his mom tell, we will fill the chickies in the little house. We will buy a new cat and dog. Then they buy. Then his mother tell, you two will clean that house. Then the dog and cat will go there. Then they cleaned. Then the dog and cat go there. Then they live happily in there. But the chickie's mother and father was so angry because the dog and cat was in shining cleaned house and big house, but they didn't. Then they go to they have a little house. They lived there happily. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I like this book very much. You can see this book. Thank you. Assalam.